gentlemen, Ryanair selected to welcome you to Alicante, where the local time is approaching 1:30. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to complete stop and the passenger sign has been switched off for you. Please take care when you open the overhead compartments, as items of your carry-on luggage may become dislodged during landing, fallout, and cause injuries. Large portability devices must remain switched off, but now you can use your mobile phones. For those of you who smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach a smoking designated area outside the terminal building. Finally, on behalf of Ryanair, but especially your onboard crew, we would like to thank you for choosing to fly with us and we wish you a very safe onboard journey.